Welcome to Paras Engineering Works, one of India's leading manufacturers of helical screw piles, precision-engineered steel products, and heavy fabrication solutions. With advanced manufacturing facilities at Dankuni and Dulagar, we proudly serve infrastructure and industrial projects across the globe. Spread across modern production facilities, every department is designed for efficiency, precision, and large-scale manufacturing. From raw material processing to fabrication, welding, galvanizing, inspection, and dispatch, every operation is carried out under one integrated manufacturing ecosystem. Driven by engineering expertise and customer commitment, our experienced team works closely with clients to deliver reliable solutions tailored to every project requirement.
Welcome to Paras Engineering Works. I am Amar Surana. For over 25 years, we have been manufacturing and exporting screw piles and fabricated steel products. We proudly supply quality products to customers around the world. Our focus is on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. This journey was started by my father, Mr. Prakash Surana, whose vision and dedication continue to inspire us every day.
I am Prakash Surana. Our mission is to be trusted global supplier of screw piles and engineered steel products by providing quality manufacturing, efficient production, and timely delivery. We aim to help our customers succeed by offering dependable products, responsive support, and cost-effective solution. Thank you.
Manufacturing begins with precision forming. Our heavy-duty hydraulic press machines shape high-strength steel with exceptional dimensional accuracy, ensuring every recessed block pavier meets stringent quality standards for strength, durability, and performance.
Automation plays a vital role in our manufacturing process. Advanced robotic welding systems deliver consistent weld quality, superior structural integrity, and increased production efficiency while minimizing human error. For specialized fabrication requirements, our certified welders perform precision MIG welding, combining skilled craftsmanship with strict quality control.
Precision starts with cutting. Our high-performance 3 kilowatt and 6 kilowatt CNC laser cutting machines produce clean, accurate profiles with minimal material wastage. These advanced systems enable us to manufacture complex components with outstanding consistency and exceptional finishing. For thicker steel sections and heavy fabrication, our CNC plasma cutting systems provide high-speed precision cutting while maintaining excellent edge quality, making them ideal for demanding industrial applications. Our CNC press brake machines deliver precise bending and forming operations, ensuring every fabricated component meets exact engineering specifications with remarkable repeatability.
Helical screw piles are among our core engineering products, manufactured using premium high tensile steel and welded through advanced robotic systems. Every pile is engineered for superior load-bearing performance, durability, and long-term foundation stability. Powered by advanced robotic welding systems, every engineered component is manufactured with unmatched precision and consistency. Using premium high tensile steel, we ensure superior strength, exceptional durability, and dependable performance, meeting the highest standards of quality and reliability.
Each component undergoes careful preparation and detailed inspection throughout the manufacturing process. From precision pipe cutting to weld quality verification, every stage reflects our commitment to engineering excellence. Automation enhances both productivity and precision. Our automatic pipe cutting systems ensure uniform dimensions, faster production cycles, and consistent quality across every batch, supporting efficient, large-scale manufacturing. Supported by skilled technicians and advanced fabrication equipment, every manufacturing operation is carried out with meticulous attention to detail and uncompromising quality standards. Maximize durability, products are processed through our in-house hot-dip galvanizing facility, providing corrosion-resistant coatings of up to 120 microns for reliable performance even in the harshest environment. The result is a precision-engineered product manufactured to international standards and built for dependable field performance. Every finished product is thoroughly inspected, professionally packed, and prepared for safe delivery to customers across India and international markets. For more than 25 years, Paras Engineering Works has built lasting partnerships through quality manufacturing, advanced technology, timely delivery, and unwavering customer commitment. Whether standard products or fully customized engineering solutions, we are proud to be your trusted manufacturing partner for steel fabrication and foundation engineering. Paras Engineering Works, engineering strength, manufacturing excellence, delivering quality worldwide.